Hopefully then they'll come in a little sooner, because they can enroll at any time between now.
And now the village have each other. The village has like sometimes no work to do. And
yeah. They're doing rice, planting rice.
See, they plant one by one.
One.
So, they are different family.
All the same.
Yeah, and then they help each other. Like,
When does the water get...